Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Pinterest application. Then if you want to download some video, actually there is no button to download this video to your gallery. If you click on the save button, you will save it to your Pinterest profile, and if you click on the three dots button, you won't see download button. So actually, if you want to download this video to your gallery, you need to click on the three dots button, and then you need to click on the copy link button. Here it is. After that, you need to go to your home screen, then scroll down your iPhone screen. Here it is, and then you need to type download Pinterest video. And after that, click on the search icon. After that, you will see different websites and you need to click on the first one, Pinterest Video Downloader. After that, you will see this interface. You can close this window and then you need to click on the paste your links here. And then you need to paste your link and then click on the download button. So then you need to scroll down and then you will see your video here. Then you need to click on the first download video button. Then click on the download again. So and after that your video will be downloaded. So that's all, and that's how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.